Hi there and welcome back to my channel, my friend. John here from Romania. As you already know, I like to talk about make money online and online entrepreneur. Today I have a new strategy for you. I know there's a ton of you folks that need to bring in cash on the web, however you simply don't have any desire to contribute any, you need to begin for nothing. So's the reason I did some examination and I concocted an overly cool framework that pays you $2.61, or here and there even much more for only 30 seconds of work. You can do this over and over with no restriction, and you can do it from any place on the planet. In any case, before I uncover that framework to you, how about we make this video somewhat additionally fascinating? What a smaller than usual giveaway. All you have to do to take an interest in this giveaway resembles this video to look around the channel and hit the subscribe button with the bell notification on. So try to watch it right to the end without skipping anything. Furthermore, number 4, when you tally how frequently I did it, simply type the number in the remarks down beneath. Individual that gets the most likes on their remark before 31st of August. Freeze for the $5 money prize. Good karma to everybody. Also, all things considered, we should begin an instructional exercise. Furthermore, no doubt, here we are within my PC and we will begin with the progression number 1, since I partitioned this instructional exercise into noteworthy advances which you can without much of a stretch follow to assist you with bringing in cash quicker, and those that stay until the finish of the video will complete everything for them. So it will truly take you under 30 seconds to procure your first dollars. So step number 1 is only log into your Gmail record, and I surmise you're most likely previously signed into your record, yet in case you're not, simply go to gmail.com and sign in. In the event that you don't have a record here, simply pursue completely free and sign into your record. So that is step number 1, go sign into your Gmail record and we will proceed to the next stage. Step number 2, by the way, kindly complete all the means as we go. So however this video you will see some improvement and you will be prepared to make more if you simply watch the video and you accept it as data that is noteworthy bit by bit instructional exercise. At that point this will clearly not work for you. So ensure you complete each progression as we go at any rate. Step number 2 is to go to crowdfire.com. Crowdfire is an instrument that will utilize web-based media, the board for others. Presently, obviously, you needn't bother with any online media following whatsoever. That is to say, truly anybody can do it is simply by following these means for genuine like. You could simply show this instructional exercise with some child and you will watch him bring in cash. It's too simple. So since we realize that Crowdfire is really an online media, the executives application that will assist you with developing and deal with your Facebook account, Instagram account, Twitter, LinkedIn, and that's just the beginning. Let me tell you the best way to utilize it joined with Gmail so as to make $2.61 or more for 30 seconds of work. So for the time being, simply finished advance number 2, come over to crowdfire.com. Step number 3, go right down and snap on affiliate program, and that will take you to a second page that will give you this isn't just allowed to utilize, however you have boundless profit yet financials. There's no restriction to the amount you can make. They pay super brisk and you will get paid in genuine money, not focuses or gift vouchers, yet a genuine money which you would then be able to spend on actually whatever you like. Presently you can see here it says procure 35% commissions, however I'm demonstrating what you have to do so as to make $3.61 over and over without accomplishing the difficult work yourself. So the critical step is as of now accomplished for you on the off chance that you stay until the finish of this video. So in the event that you return to crowdfire.com, you go to their valuing plan, you will have the option to see the dear even most essential arrangement of $7 every month will make you $2.61 every month from one single individual. So implies that you can send somebody to the site and on the off chance that they join you will make $2.61 over and over in the event that they pick this arrangement. Yet on the off chance that they pick some other arrangement, you will get much more cash flow, and trust me, Crowdfire clients are far bound to utilize these more costly plans. So you'll be making significantly something beyond $2.61, yet suppose they are simply utilizing this one arrangement. Just you should simply return to the offshoot page, click join presently directly here, and that will take you to the third page now, and you'll simply need to enter your email address to join. So you will enter your first name, your last name, and simply make some extraordinary secret key. So really simple information exchange measure. So now go out there and complete this progression number 3, join as an affiliate on crowdfire.com. Presently, once you make your record, and this is the way it will look like. So once you sign into your record, you will be ready to see the dashboard directly here. So presently, it's going to state $0 on the grounds that clearly it's a fresh out of the box new record. However, when you begin bringing in cash, you will have the option to see your profit directly here. So it's going to change directly here, and you can follow your profit. Presently, once you do begin bringing in cash, you can pull back your pay your profit here on the left hand side by tapping on remunerations and withdrawals. Click there. Also, there you can include your payout suppliers, either Stripe or PayPal, so they can send you your income, so you can pull back your profit from this site. Presently, for the time being, step number 4 is to approach this spot, sign into your partner account and alter snatch. Your affiliate link will be directly here. So duplicate this. What's more, when we send individuals to this connection, they will be diverted to Crowdfire, where they can join, and you can make $3.61 or much more in the event that they join, obviously. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you something download for you so you can utilize it as you can gather those information exchanges. And once more, she will be simple for you to make $2.61 in under 30 seconds of work. Presently, this is discretionary. You can do this in the event that you need to. I favor it, and that is to utilize bit.ly.com, so you can approach bit.ly.com. This is a connection shortening administration, and you can glue your long partner interface directly here. Also, you can click straightforward. It's going to make it seem as though short and decent. It does likewise. Just it appears to be unique, it's shorter. So's that part is discretionary. Yet the progression number 4 is to simply get your partner interface. Step number 5. Presently, here's going to turn into somewhat additionally intriguing in light of the fact that currently I'm going to give that difficult work accomplished for you. I'm going to give it out to you for completely free, so you can begin bringing in cash now. This isn't the last advance, so stay until we finish this video. So we will see precisely what should be finished. At any rate, you need to return to your Gmail record, and you need to click compose. So your email, you need to click compose, so you can send various messages now. Here's beginning and end accomplished for you. So since a group privateer doesn't have their email swipes, I quite made those messages for you. So you can utilize them complimentary. You can get to this connection in the depiction of this YouTube. Yet it's presumably going to resemble the second connection in the portrayal or something to that effect. I'm going to forget about it there. On the off chance that YouTube doesn't eliminate it, on the off chance that it eliminates it from the depiction, at that point I will place it in the remarks segment underneath, yet it's likely going to remain in a portrayal of this YouTube video. When you click on that connect, that is going to take you over to this page where can see the subject, so you can duplicate this subject and you will return here. You will glue that directly here. It's going to be not really good or bad, simple, trust me. Presently this is the email, so you can duplicate this. And afterward you can obviously tweak it in the event that you need to. Yet, I'm going to glue this privilege here. So now just you would need to do is change this where it says your affiliate link goes here. So return there and snatch your subsidiary connection. I'm going to get my abbreviated subsidiary connection and I'm going to place it. So this email is really selling Crowdfire for you. You simply need to include your subsidiary connection. So individuals can tap on it and they can join. Thus you can bring in cash. So you can make $2.61 or considerably more. And afterward here you can likewise change and put your name. Also, when you're set, all you need is real individuals to send this email to right. Indeed, we will proceed to discover individuals to send an email to you in the subsequent stage until further notice. You simply need to go click the subsequent connection, and it's presumably going to be the second connection in the portrayal of this YouTube video. Snatch this accomplished for you email and form it into Gmail. What's more, presently the last advance, and I need you to depend on what number of how much time is going to take you to do this so as to make your first payments, which can be in any event $2.61. It's clearly going to take you under 30 seconds since it's accomplished for you. You simply reorder this email, you change it with your associate connection, you put your name, and now the last advance is to find individuals to send them this email. Also, so as to do that, you simply need to go to Google and quest for the list of web-based media the board organizations. Furthermore, you will have the option to discover actually tens of thousands of these organizations, and you're simply observing a couple of them since you're making reoccurring month-to-month commissions. So I'm going to open this first page directly here. This first thing that springs up, it says top online media advertising organizations for minuscule, little 4 days per year, and it will give me list of various organizations like more than 30,000 of them. This has a book culpable more than 30,000 individuals, and that is a considerable amount. All you have to do is simply open up one of these. For instance, in light of a tick on visit site, you open up their site and you simply need to discover their email address, which is presumably going to be either at the base of the site, or you can float your mouse at their about page and go to their reach us page, and there, you will presumably have the option to discover their email address like on this telephone, so I'm going to duplicate their email address. Furthermore, I'm simply going to fundamentally directly here, and I simply need to send this email. They can peruse the email, they can discover that this apparatus will do all the difficult work for them. They simply need to pay $2 or $3 for every month. Also, clearly since they are organization, since they have an organization, they clearly have a major spending plan, and they will be undoubtedly ready to put cash into this. What's more, that is the reason it will be super simple to make commissions. And afterward you can follow your income directly here. You can see your profit here. So per each sign up, you will make in any event $3.61. Furthermore, as you saw, it will take you path under 30 seconds to discover numerous messages and simply send them out to various organizations. It's incredibly simple. Also, as I guaranteed you, it's completely accomplished for you. A debt of gratitude is in order for viewing, and I will see you in the following recordings. Thank you very much for watching. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.